Hi everyone, this is the case study on the software testing. My topic is regarding the model driven service integration testing, and this case study is done by Tarak, which is myself, and the abstract. This paper presents a case study for the modeling and model based testing of enterprise service choreography. Our purposed MBT approach uses an appropriate model called message choreography models as test model. This study illustrates how MCM based service integration testing allows to uh, formalize design decisions and enables full integration into an existing industry. Testing infrastructure by using the concept of domain specific language and model transformations. Further, the MBTT tools integrated into the testing frames has been compared based on the one concrete use case. Now we go for the introductions. Service oriented architecture provides a framework and methods to compress a single service in order to realize the complex business scenarios. At the lower end, a single service is described as a set of operations and message types. It's a functioning replying on a simple request response pattern, modeling and implementations of single service using a standard like XML, SOP or WSDL is well mastered both in theory and practice. The paper is structured as follows. Section 2 sketch the SOA development approach that is targeted by the case study. Section 3 describes the decision and context of the case study. The case study execution, including the modeling and test generation, is described in Section 4. Section 5 explains the result of the case study, while Section 4 summarizes the paper. Then the development process. As in every customer-oriented service, a SOAP development process starts with the definition of the user and market requirements. For enterprises, SOAP applications, functions, requirements, and described by the business process that have been supported. As illustrated in Figure 1, this top-down approach of a software development starting with an high-level description of requirements and can be combined easily with the concept of modeling-driven development and MBT where general specifications of a system are stepwise refined and adding the relevant domain. This is the Figure 1 which shows the top-down approach of an SOA integration. The next topic is case study design. In this we will be seeing setting. In setting system under testing, the concept described below as given developed in collaboration with the SAP product group that is responsible for the development of the SOA based solutions. SAP business by design. Case study participants, integration expert asked the task to coordinate with the integration of service components during development. They have a good understanding of the communication process between service components and are expressed. The second topic is approach. In this we will be seeing the initial planning of a case study. We intended to follow the whole service integration process as described in Section 2, that is from the product MCM model as choreography description down to execute the described scripts. Testing, there were 3 test generators used. 1 an house FSM, an MC, and an open source heuristic based testing generator called MBT triggers 4. Then the analysis, the supervision of a case study execution by the authors allowed to gather some unbased observations. Participants were questioned in the semi-structured interviews. The interview techniques, which is mixing open-ended and specific questions, was chosen because we assumed the according to the response might lead to further discussions which better capture the information of such unknown structure. Conclusion. In this paper we presented a detailed case study of application of MBT into an industrial SOA domain. Our experiment confirmed the capability and resource saving potentials of the described approach. These are the references. Thank you.